Alrighty guys, I'm kind of rushing this one here. I'm going to try No Pros Artic hunt. It feels like I'm out in Arctic. Warm my fingers up a little bit. It is just kind of spitting rain. Winds, well, my phone says winds 18 miles an hour. I don't know if it's that much, maybe at times. It's definitely got wind. You know, picnic table's kind of wet, hell. So I got the it's kind of Jones I haven't been able to shoot all week. You know, I got the Ruger RPR out here with the Shaw barrel and the CV Life scope on here, and that's the target down there. And I think ideally you want to you want to hit the heads right there, or like that wolf there in the middle right there. You want to hit the rat that's down there, and I think the eagle you want to hit that little red thing down there. The fox down there, you want to hit the ears on the fox, if I remember right, and the ears on the snowshoe hare, whatever that is, a rabbit. All right, guys, I'm gonna do. I'm shooting Norma Tac22, the newer stuff. I'm gonna do 5 shots in that helicopter there, kind of see where I'm at. This is the first time using the new target stand. That went a little high. Wind's kind of catching me. You guys probably hasn't seen all this yet right there, how good this barrel's shooting. Oh, here comes a hard wind. Let me see if I can adjust you in a little bit clearer here. I don't know. Come on, wind, give me a break. Okay, I'm gonna drop that magazine. Put another mag. You get 10 shots here plus a bonus shot, I think. So let's start with the polar bear. Ooh, I think I missed him. I was trying to compensate for that wind a little bit and hold him up there. I should have done it. Okay, for that bighorn sheep. Yeah, I think I didn't get the head a little low. Okay, now for the rat. Ooh, completely missed him. Okay, other polar bear. Yep, drop low. Let's go for that marmot or whatever it is. Yeah, that's about actually where it's holding at. Let me look to the right. I'm not doing very good, fellers. Ah, of course. Hockey. If I even got... Jeez. Okay, I can go down there for the fox ears. This is sad. Okay, or that was that beaver or something there in the other one. I don't know. Okay, I think I got him. Let's get over that bird. You get the body. Okay, let's go for the red thing by the igloo. I think that's the way you shoot it. I think I might have got it. Okay, upper right hand corner is one of those. Go for it, you get 10, you don't, you lose 5, I think it is. You can zoom this in a little bit so I can see where I'm shooting at exactly. Okay. Right beside the, like, dang on it, come down here. Right beside the thumbtack right there. I think I might have got it. What? I believe that's it. Let me pause you guys. Let me make sure. Boy, that was sad. Sad state of affairs. All right, let me go down there and get it, and we'll see what we did. All right, guys. Try to hold this over. You guys can see right here. I'll start over. You guys can see I did get the block of ice up here or whatever. For 10 right here. I got the sheep right here in the neck there. Didn't get him in the head. Missed the rat. You know, I missed the polar bear's head, or anywhere the polar bear. Ooh, hang on. I got missed this polar bear, but I did get this. Marvin, you look here. You can see I got him in the head right there. A little bit in the head. I forgot that. Ooh. That's changed me to, I think, 44, but we'll count it up here. Okay, oh, the polar bear, you guys can see that's into the head right there. Mr. Rabbit's ears. Got to hit into the red plug beacon thing, that's worth 10 points. Missed the foxes right there. Got, what the hell is these called? I forget. They're bird. Got his body, that didn't get it in the head, that's a 2 points. And got this one kind of, I guess it's in the head right there. It's kind of jaw right there, so it's kind of the head, so I give myself 10 points right there. So we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 42, and 44. 44 is what I got right there. Let me know if you guys did anything different right there. I'm messing right here, but it's cold out here right now. I'm gonna this right here, but Ruger RPR. Like I say, it's got Timmy trigger in it. Got the shaw barrel and CB light scope on it right there. And like I said, this is No Pros Artic Hunt. Let me know what you think, guys. I had a guy here shoot, but it's just too bad out here. Okay, let me know what you think, guys, and I'll try this one here later. We'll get a calm day.